You are about to discover a fantastic studio filming setup that I'm using today to film both vertical story videos for Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok, and the exact same studio setup that I'm using to film this video now in horizontal. And the best part is I don't have to move the camera at all to make it possible. I'll show you the exact equipment I've got in my studio. I'll show you the exact workflow I use to put videos out to YouTube and in horizontal and to TikTok in vertical, as well as share those in stories. And I'll even show you how I make money out of all this. I just calculated the other day, I make an average of $275 for every video I upload. And the best part is with this filming studio, it only takes me 1 to 3 hours to make a video. And in fact, with these story videos, I can make 4 or 5 of them in an hour. They're coming out faster than ever. For TikTok and YouTube and Facebook, Instagram, story videos in vertical format are hot. My videos are actually getting watched more in mobile than in horizontal. That said, you want to put both of these filming approaches together, because when you get people to discover you and watch a little bit in a vertical mobile friendly video, and then you get someone over to watch your longer format horizontal videos, that's when you make sales.